guys, so thank you so much for watching the time-lapse video of me cable managing my desk. I know it's not what I usually put up, but I didn't have the time today, so this is what got put up along with the Minecraft video of building Mark. And I mean, that took a lot of work, but I did that last night and just uploaded it today, but still took a lot of work in the making of it and editing. Took about an hour to make it, and then another hour just to do the time lapse because that took forever, and then about a half hour for music, so 2.5 hours altogether. So I mean, it wasn't something that was quickly put together. It took a lot of work and thought into putting it together. So I mean, it got a good bit of views. I was hoping for more, but it's only been up for a day, so it might gain more. Got one comment, which was pretty cool. And another cool thing that happened today was, it's not like a big deal, but I made my first amount of money off of YouTube, and it's not like a huge amount, but I mean, it's just still cool to see that stuff is being made back out of the effort that I'm putting in. It was only 4 cents, but it's still pretty cool. Like I said, it's not like a huge amount or anything, but it's pretty amazing that I'm finally making something back out of all the hard work that I've been putting into the channel. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Till quick a lot. Peace.